You need targeted insurance to protect your pest control startup from liability, employee claims, vehicle incidents, and professional exposure. General liability should be your foundation, and it covers third-party bodily injury, property damage, and advertising injury. Maintain limits aligned with contract requirements, typically starting at $1 million per occurrence for commercial clients, and be sure to include pollution, liability endorsements, or a separate environmental liability policy because pest work often involves chemical exposure. Workers' compensation is mandatory in most states and covers medical costs and lost wages for employees hurt on the job. Classify employees correctly, track payroll accurately, and report changes promptly to avoid audits and premium adjustments. Commercial auto is essential if you or your technicians drive company vehicles to service calls. Insure hired and non-owned autos if you occasionally use rented or personal vehicles for business tasks, and carry hired autos coverage when subcontractors drive for you. Professional liability, or errors and omissions, can be needed when you provide inspection reports, treatment plans, or guarantees. This covers negligent advice or failure to perform professional services as promised. Product liability or completed operations coverage protects against claims arising after a treatment is finished, so request completed operations coverage with adequate aggregate limits and extended reporting periods when possible. Consider bond requirements for certain municipal or contractual work, and maintain clear records of pesticide application, material safety data sheets, and client authorizations to support your defense if a claim arises. Common mistakes include underinsuring job site pollution and chemical exposures, which leads to claim denials, so explicitly add pollution or environmental liability and document all product usage and safety procedures. Another frequent issue is misclassifying workers as independent contractors, which can trigger back taxes and lost workers' compensation coverage. Treat technicians as employees when you control their schedules or supplies, and consult a tax professional to verify classifications. Finally, failing to secure appropriate hired and non-owned auto or to list all vehicles results in gaps when accidents occur, so disclose all vehicle use for business, add endorsements for hired and non-owned exposures, and perform regular driver checks. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home service needs related to pest control and other projects. We help homeowners find local contractors, and we help contractors find work, and our site includes an active discussion community where professionals and homeowners share real experiences and practical advice.